Here we are at the 2008 Beasley Point Olympics.
Now if you get music, da 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 da. And here we are.
First event is the horseshoe team competition. We have many nations represented. Here we've got the Pennsylvania team.
We represent Pennsylvania.
We're here.
And New Jersey. We're international.
We
New
know
Jersey
the
team.
feeling of victory.
Okay. And what is their record? Did they have to go much qualifying to get here?
Well,
if you can be by the fire, you're in to win.
You jump in the circle.
Okay.
The Rocky Mountain contingency.
Kath, let's jump in the circle.
The ring of fire.
The ring. Jump! Jump! Woohoo! Do some dances. Come on. Ta-da!
Fell into a burning ring of fire.
Oh, down, 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 the fire we're getting higher. Burn, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire.
This is so much more fun.